there's not really one way to enter the story world, but if I had to pick where the story kind of starts, it would probably be in 2002, where we meet the Pakistani characters in art school, Zan and Maha, who are in love and they're together. But when we meet them again in 2015, they're married to these two different people. Zan is married to an American photojournalist he meets in Pakistan, Lisa, and then Maha is married to an American editor, Aaron. And through the films, it's communicated that Zan and Maha had a bitter breakup, but once in 2015, fate brings them together for this chance meeting where they have to come face to face with each other, and while they're married to different people, and that creates kind of the tension that we really exploit in the climax. With the backstory, we really flesh out where these characters were in the past, that it has brought them to this point. There's a lot of Pakistani American dynamic happening. It's more important for us to explore these characters as individuals and their own relationship to their identities. But one of the events in the backdrop is the 9/11 tragedy, but each of these characters has a very different relationship to it. And I think it was important for me as a storyteller to move away from the monolithic narrative that we get in the West about 9/11 and kind of explore individual experiences each of these characters can have. For instance, Lisa, who's an American, she's very conflicted about the entire thing, because as a journalist, because of 9/11, she goes to Pakistan to do some reporting on it, but over there she meets Zan, who is the love of her life, and so this immense tragedy kind of actually works out for the better for her, and that she kind of is exploring what does personal loss and tragedy mean in terms of a larger global context. So we kind of explore those themes as well, and you get a bit of that in the second film. We also have the will they, won't they dynamic happening between Zan and Maha, but you'll see more of that developing once they come face to face in the immersive dinner scene. And right now we're working on this location-based experience. Zan is this Pakistani artist, right? So we're doing an actual gallery opening for him where we have artwork that he's done, and you get to see authentic Pakistani artwork in a gallery setting. And I feel like those objects and that experience will speak really strongly to the story world and the statements that we are making. And finally, I think it's really fun to discover what those characters are outside of plot and like the larger narrative arc is if you just follow them on social media and see what their personalities are like, what they're doing on a day-to-day basis. It's really, I think ideally we want people to see these characters as real people in New York who are living living these lives, and you can just explore these different pieces depending on what you're interested in.